Let us study about group 1 elements in the modern periodic table of elements. From group 1, we can see that lithium is above sodium. Why the position is like that? We can prove this by drawing the atomic structure and determine the electron arrangement of both of these elements. Let us start. For lithium, we know that from the periodic table of elements, it has 3 proton number and 7 nucleon number. Meanwhile, for sodium, the symbol is Na with 11 proton number and 23 nucleon number. So what should we do first is we draw the atomic structure for lithium by determining the PEN first. PEN. P stands for proton, so it is 3. The number of electrons follow proton number, it is 3 too. Nucleon number means that it has proton and neutron inside the nucleus. So to find neutron, we must minus the below number here, minus with the top. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Next, we can draw the atomic structure for lithium. I put the symbol at the center. So this is the nucleus of lithium. And then I need to draw the number of electron consists in the lithium atom. It has 3 electrons. So by obeying the formula, remember 2.8.8. So I have 3 electrons here. So I will have the first electron shell occupied with only 2 electrons. There are 2 ways of drawing electrons. You can just draw the circle or just put a cross. So I want to make it easier and faster. I put a cross on top and down here representing electrons. I have 2 electrons in the first shell. So totally I have 3. 3 minus 2, I have 1 more electron to be drawn. So I draw this last electron in the second shell. So the electron arrangement is equal to 2.1. So from this electron arrangement, I can see that the number of valence electron is 1. So this is referring to group 1 element. Lithium belongs to group 1. And then when I draw from this drawing and from this formula, I can see that there is totally 2 electron shells involved. First electron shell, second electron shell. So 2 electron shell involved when drawing lithium. So one and 2. So it shows that lithium is located at the second period of the periodic table, period 2. Now let's look for sodium. By doing the same procedure, let us find PEN first. Proton and electron respectively is 11 Meanwhile, to find neutron, nucleon number 23 mass minus with 11, the answer is 12. So, to draw the atomic structure, first I draw the symbol Na with the nucleus. Now, let us find the number of electron is 11 by obeying the formula 2.8.8. So, like usual, I will draw the first electron shell occupied with 2 electrons. Total number of electrons for sodium is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So, I need to draw another second shell. But remember, second shell can only occupy by 8 electrons. So, draw another 8 here. So, how many electrons that I have already drawn? 8 plus 2 is 10. So, I need to draw another electron. So, I need to create the third electron shell. So, finally, I can write the electron arrangement for sodium. Two point 8.1. Let us check. 2 plus 8 plus 1 total with 11. So, the electron arrangement here is already correct. Okay, look. How many valence electron is here? Look at the last part. I have 1 valence electron. So, this shows that sodium is belong to group 1 elements. How about the period? Look at the drawing. There is 1, first, second, and third electron shells. I also can determine the number of electron shell by electron arrangement. I have 1, first electron shell, second electron shell, and third electron shell. So sodium belongs to period 3. So from here, I can conclude that both lithium and sodium belongs to group 1 elements, but lithium is located in period 2. So it should be above sodium in the periodic table of elements.